Pinigan matric asar lang kedamtang general mathematics subject lo MCQ part an nilihit pen unane solve po niglo jo kolo se chok mapu section A. Choose the correct answer. Question 1 long ke chok answer ke A lo. So to question 2 long ke chok answer ke C. So to question nong 3 along right answer ke D minus 15. Adon to question 4 right option ke lage C lo 22. Adon to question nong 5 right option ke D 5 cm. Adon to question nong 6 labang so question right answer ke lage B. Adon to question nong 7 match column A with column B. C lo lake right answer ke. Question nong 8 right answer A 3. Question nong 9 right answer ke C. Nalitimios Rohon Bey mixes video YouTube channel subscribe England subscribe titha pening bathe duni bomon non bang thiglo na question nong 10 long right option ke lake A. Question nong 11 right option ke lake C 7/18. Question nong 12 right option lake A Roman 1 pen Roman 4. Question nong 13 right option lake B. Question nong 14 right option C. Their corresponding angle are equal puba. Question nong 15 right option ke A 4 and 1 banglo. Non ke question nong 16 right option ke lake B 9. Question nong 17 right option ke C 0.89. Question nong 18 right option lake B. Question nong 19 right option D 14 cm. Question nong 20 right option ke B 6 unit. Question nong 21 right option is D both A and B are true. Question 22 the right answer is C. Question nong 23 the right option is A. Question nong 24 the right option is C. Question nong 25 the right option is C. A is true but R is false. Question nong 26 the right option is B. A is false and B is true. Now question nong 27 the right option is C. A is false but B is true. Question nong 28 the right option is B. Question nong 29 the right option is B. Root 3 and root 50. Question nong 30 the right option is B. Question nong 31 the right option is C. Both A and B are true. Question nong 32 the right option is C. Question nong 33 the right option is C. Roman 1 and Roman 4. Come to the next question, that is question nong 34 the right option is B. 25:4. Next question nong 35 the right option is C. 55:70. Question nong 36 the right option is B. Question nong 37 the right option is A 60 degree. Question nong 38 the right option is C. P cube and Q cube. Question nong 39 the right option is Q by P. Now the next question nong 40 the right option is D. Only Roman 2. Question nong 41 the right option is C. Question nong 42 the right option is D. Question number 43, the right option is C. Question number 44, the right option is D. 49 by 64. And the last question, that is question number 45, the right option is C.